Is perfect workmanship necessary for home driveway repairs, or is good enough acceptable for most do-it-yourself fixes? For short-term or provisional driveway repairs, aim for functional integrity over cosmetic perfection by focusing on 3 tasks: sealing active cracks to stop water infiltration, leveling depressions to prevent puddling, and restoring edge stability to keep the surface from unraveling. Use a stiff bristled brush and a compressor or compressed air substitute to remove loose debris and vegetation from cracks, before applying a polymer-modified crack filler or a high-quality asphalt cold patch depending on quota. Material. When filling, pack material firmly in thin layers rather than one thick application, so each layer bonds well and cures evenly. Tool the surface smooth with a trowel or flat board, and match the surrounding slope for drainage. For concrete repairs, use a premixed concrete patch with latex additive for adhesion. Dampen the substrate first, and cure by covering with plastic or moist burlap for at least 48 hours to prevent rapid moisture loss and cracking. Protect freshly repaired areas from vehicle load for the manufacturer recommended time, and avoid using de-icing chemicals for the first winter season to reduce freeze-thaw damage. Keep records of what products and quantities you used, and schedule a follow-up inspection within 6 months to monitor performance and plan additional sealing or overlay work if the temporary fix shows deterioration. Common mistakes start with poor surface preparation, which leads to premature failure, so clean and dry the area thoroughly and remove any weak material before filling. Another issue is using the wrong repair material, which causes poor adhesion or mismatched flexibility, so choose material designed for the existing surface type and temperature range. A third common concern is neglecting drainage and load distribution, which lets water pool and accelerates damage, so regrade small areas as needed and ensure repaired sections shed water following the surrounding slope. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical guidance for projects like driveway repairs, and we maintain an active discussion community where users share experiences and product recommendations. We help contractors promote their services and find work, while homeowners get peer advice and local leads.